Okay, so let us start. What is the variation in this sum? लास्ट लेक्चर जो हमने सम लिया था उसमें क्या था? आउटपुट्स वाज नॉट गिवन. ओके, so that was yeah, this one. This was type 1. Type 1. Okay, Anjali, I'll do that. ठीक है. Type 1 में yeah, this was where outputs, standard output and actual output not given in the question. Okay, ये फर्स्ट टाइप का सम था और ये किस पे था? मटेरियल पे था. This is the second type of sum which I am going to take today. Yeah. So this is type 2 in material only, where standard output is not equal to actual output. ठीक है? So just look here. Standards कितना है? 180 units. Actual output कितना है? 182 units. Obviously तो दोनों unequal है. Correct. Calculate the relevant variance बोला है. Relevant मतलब what is given here? Material. So I will calculate all the material related variances. ठीक है? Next क्या? Standard quantity, standard rate. This is actual quantity, actual rate. Don't forget all this. ठीक है? And there are two raw materials, A and B. Right? So you know what is the first step, right? So step 1 is, yeah, this one. So write it down. Step 1, standard output equal to 180 units, actual output equal to 182 units. So they are unequal. So we will have to revise the standards. Revising the standards, what is the meaning of it? That is making it equal. Okay, making it equal. Okay, now how to make it equal? Let us understand that. Make this material cost variance, material cost statement. Write down material cost statement. Okay. Raw material type, there are two raw material types, A and B. Given standards may you have 180 and you have to make, and actuals is also 180. Now, what is the highlight of the sum? The highlight of the sum is that you have to equal your standards. So here are my revised standard output 182 and my actual output is also 182. Okay, ये नया है. This is new to you. Okay. Why are we doing this? Because standard costing का procedure क्या है? You have to compare your standards with the actuals. When is comparison possible? When I was doing theory with you, मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? Comparison कब possible है? जब तुम्हारा base same होता है. Okay, if I want to compare performance of TY BAF students, I will have to take all the TY BAF students only as my base. I cannot take BMS students or BCom students or BBI students and then compare the performance of BAF students. Okay, so the base has to be common. Similarly, if I want to calculate my variances, my base has to be same. So my base was 180, I will make it to 182. Okay, it has to be set as per the actuals. Okay, yeah, revised standards are set as per the actuals, don't forget this. Okay, then make this standard output, स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी, ओके, वही जो शॉर्टकट मैंने सिखाया था, या स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी. लेट अस स्टार्ट. Standard quantity 120 multiplied with 10 is equal to 1200 m plus 80 multiplied with 75 equal to 600 m plus. Okay, you want we can do it. Here it's not required also m plus, क्योंकि हम ये टोटल लेंगे ही नहीं ना, तो इसको ऐसे ही से मल्टीप्लाई करके रखो. कम टू द एक्चुअल्स. 140 into 9.5 is 1330. So 140 multiplied with this equal to, press m plus. Next 60 into 9 is equal to 540. Press m plus, and then directly press the MRC button. Okay. 60 into 9, 540. Press m plus and press the MRC button. One 1870. Okay. Then come to your revised standards. Standard quantity, standard rate, amount and revised standard mix. एक से ज़्यादा रॉ मटेरियल यूज़ हुआ है ना, तो मटेरियल मिक्स वेरिएंस कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो वो एक शॉर्टकट के लिए अलग रखो. Now how will you calculate this column? Standard quantity. Okay, I mean the revised standard quantity. ठीक है, उसका भी फॉर्मूला है, लिखो. स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी इज टू स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट. ए कितना है? How much is A? 120 kgs against 180 units. So for 182 units, how much? Cross multiply. Okay. 120 into 182 divided by 180. So my answer is 121.3333. Okay. So make it 121. Next, for B, 80 kgs for 180. So 182 पे कितना? So cross multiply. My answer is 80.8888, that is 81. ठीक है, और यू कैन यूज दिस शॉर्टकट जो मैंने कल सिखाया था. ओके, व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट? 182 and 180 will be fixed, right? मुझे रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड क्या निकलना है? रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी निकलना है, राइट? या सो मेरा स्टैंडर्ड विल बी द बेस. So 182 divided by 180 equal to sign multiplication sign 2 times. Then press 120. I mean type 120 and you will get the answer. 121.333. Okay. Then type 80. $80.8888. It is 81. Got the shortcut? Okay. Is it clear till here to everyone? How to use the shortcut? Got it? Clear everyone? 121 and 81 is the answer. Okay, so working note number 1. Okay, fine. 121 into 100 is equal to this. Press M plus. 81 into 7.5 is equal to, press M plus, and then press MRC. You'll directly get the answer. Okay, try this. If you're good with maths, you can orally do it well and good. Hundred and 18 मतलब 1817 1817.5. Okay, now let us calculate the revised standard mix. वो भी shortcut पता है ना? Yeah, I will take this. I will be considering the output. Yeah, I'm talking about this. Okay, yeah. So 200 divided by 202 equal to multiplication sign 2 times. Press type 121 119.8019. ओके, राउंड ऑफ कर दो 120 पे. और एक चीज़ याद रखना, I will also write here the round of 1. I'll tell you why. इन केस अगर आंसर टैली नहीं होता, मैंने आपको बोला था ना डेसिमल्स में रख लेना. फिर सेम वे you all use the shortcut. Okay, 80.1980. Okay, देखो it should be equal to 200. 120 प्लस 80 इज 200. और दूसरे तरीके से भी ऐड करके देखो 8019 प्लस 80.119.8019 प्लस 80.1980. 199.999 is 200 only. Okay, yeah, keep it as it is. ठीक है, start. Step 2, calculation of formulas. Am I clear till here? Step 1 is clear to everyone? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Step 1 सबके समझ में आया ना? double sure this step, then only move on to the next. And obviously try to practice it with the shortcut technique. Okay, then only you will get in sync with the technique. और नहीं समझता है शॉर्टकट टेक्निक तो फिर रहने दो, यूज द नॉर्मल वे व्हाट इज डन. Okay, start. Material, yeah, calculation of formulas. First, material cost variance. Total standard cost minus total actual cost. 1817.5 minus 1870. Okay, 52.5. It is negative on calci, that is A. Okay, भूलना मत. This is your total standard quantity. This is your total actual, total standard cost. This is your total actual quantity. No, not this one. इसके बाद जो है. Total actual quantity, and this is your total actual cost. Okay. So highlight करो. It's your first sum. Next, material rate variance. So I have two raw materials, so I'll be having two rates, 10 and 7.5, and actuals is 9.5 and 9. Okay, multiplied it with the actual quantity. So 10 minus 9.5 into 140, 70 positive, that is 70F. Next, 7.5 minus 9, 1.5 into 60, 1.5 into 60, 7.5 minus 9 into 60, 90A adverse. So F A plus minus is minus. Okay, so my answer will be 20A. Next, material usage variance. So 121 minus 140 into 10, 190 adverse. Next, 81 minus 60 into 7.5. 81 minus 60 into 7.5. 157.5 F favorable. Okay. Then minus plus is minus. Okay. Yeah. So 190 minus 157.5. So 32.5 adverse A, because 190 is the highest number having the negative sign. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. This is nothing but basics of maths. समझ में आया सबको? Till here it is clear to everyone. Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, fine. Okay. Now next and the most important thing, material mix variance. Okay. Revised standard mix minus actual mix into standard rate. Okay, write down the formula. Revised standard mix minus actual mix into standard rate. कल मैंने आपको इसका शॉर्टकट भी बताया था और लॉन्ग कट तो इज नथिंग बट इट्स अ कॉमन लॉजिक ऑफ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Okay, but I had told you henceforth I will be using the shortcut way. ठीक है, yeah. So how to calculate that? Revised standard mix. ये रहा, हमने इधर कैलकुलेट करके रखा हुआ है. ये रहा 120 and 80. ठीक है, so लिखो 120 and 80 revised standard mix. So 120 minus 140 into 10. So 200 adverse. Next, 80 minus 60 into 7.5. 150 favorable. Minus plus minus. So 200 minus 150 is 50. 200 is the highest number having a minus sign. So 50 will become A adverse. Okay. Now same thing I will write, yeah, with this 119.8019. Okay, we'll do both the ways beta so that you all understand, क्योंकि देखना थोड़ा डिफरेंस आएगा आंसर में, फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी क्या करना है. ठीक है. एंड वन इज बी. बी का कितना है 80.1980 if I'm not wrong. 80.1980, yes. Okay, write all these things. Minus 140 and then 60 into 10 and then 7.5. Okay, write both. अभी देखो 119.8019 minus 140 into 10. So 201.981. Okay, I'll make it 202. 202, right? What adverse? Next, 80.1980 minus 60 into 7.5. 151.485. 151.4 favorable. Okay, 202 minus 151.485. So 50.5. 50.5 adverse. Okay, write both so that you understand what I am saying at the end. Then जब हम थर्ड स्टेप करेंगे ना वेरिफिकेशन, तब आपको समझ में आएगा. ओके, अंडरस्टूड अबाउट मटेरियल मिक्स वरायंस. यही सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है इस वरायंस में, बाकी तो सब इजी, यू विल गेट इट फ्रॉम द स्टेटमेंट इटसेल्फ. ओके, is it clear till here? Material mix variance is clear to everyone? Acknowledge in the chat box. Next, material yield variance. Okay, material yield variance. Total standard quantity minus total actual quantity into average standard rate. So my total standard quantity is how much? 200. Actual quantity, standard quantity is 202, sorry, and actual quantity is 200. Average standard rate. Average standard rate कैसे मिलेगा? Very important. How will you get average standard rate? Total standard cost divided by total standard quantity. Please don't forget this. Total standard cost divided by total standard quantity. Okay, solve it. 202 minus 200 into 1817.5 divided by 202. So my answer is 17.99. That makes it to 18. So it is 18 favorable F. Okay. एवरेज स्टैंडर्ड रेट निकालने का और एक तरीका है क्या? लिसन केयरफुली. ओके. आपके पास कितना रॉ मटेरियल है? 2. ठीक है. क्या प्राइस है उसका? 10 एंड 7.5. तो दोनों का एवरेज निकालो. ओके. 10 plus 7.5 divide by how many raw materials? 2. If there are 3, divide by 3. So 8.75 is my average raw material. Average standard rate. Okay, this is also one of the ways of doing it, but I generally avoid it because for accuracy of answer, this is the best one: total standard cost upon total standard quantity. Okay, or you can even take average. Kaise? Of the raw material. 10 plus 7.5 divide by 2. Okay, this is also the right way. But I prefer obviously the first one. Both the techniques are right, but I have a habit of the first one. Is this clear? Average standard rate is clear to everyone? समझ में आया? Okay. Next. So material yield variance is also done. Now what to do? Now I have to verify my last step. Verify my equation. Okay. So my material cost variance should be equal to material rate variance and material यूसेज वैरायंस. ये दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो मेरा मटेरियल रेट वैरायंस कितना है? व्हाट इज द आंसर? मटेरियल रेट वैरायंस 20. ओके. एंड मटेरियल यूसेज वैरायंस आंसर इज हाउ मच? 32.5. ओके. तो माइनस माइनस इज प्लस, तो ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएगा. 20 प्लस 32.5 कितना हुआ? 52.5. देखो ज़रा. यस, मेरा मटेरियल कॉस्ट वैरायंस कितना है? 52.5. ओके. So my answer is correct. So whatever we have solved is absolutely correct. Okay. See, my LHS is equal to my RHS. It has to be LHS equal to RHS. Clear everyone? समझ में आया सबके? Next, material usage variance should be equal to material mix and material yield. ठीक है? Yeah. Now pay attention. Material mix variance is how much? 50. Okay. And material yield variance is how much? 18. Okay. So minus plus is minus. So 50 minus 18 is how much? 32. Right? But usage variance is not 32, it is 32.5. तो 0.5 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है ना. हाँ, इसके लिए मैंने बोला था कि हम लोग पूरा डेसिमल्स लेंगे. ओके. तो जब आप राउंड ऑफ करते हो ना कभी कभी, तो ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है एंड में. 0.5, 50 पैसा, 1 रुपी का डिफरेंस आएगा, विच ऑब्वियसली यू डोंट हैव टू शो इट टू द एग्जामिनर कि देर इज 1 रुपी का डिफरेंस और 50 पैसे का डिफरेंस. ओके. सो इन दैट केस, yeah, I'm going to consider now the decimals one. Okay. तो फिर ये बराबर टैली हो जाएगा. ठीक है. See how it will tally. Pay attention. मटेरियल मिक्स वैरायंस कितना आया था अभी हमारा? 50.5 A. या 50.5 adverse plus yield variance is how much? 18F minus plus minus. अभी करो. 50.5 minus 18. See, now you get the answer 32A. 32.5A. Is this clear to everyone? LHS equal to RHS का concept समझा? Third step verification समझ गया? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, great. Any doubts pertaining to this? Hopefully, I guess nobody will be having it. Okay, fine, great. Thank you. ठीक है, तो ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो मैं बता रही हूँ ना, शॉर्टकट कि ये ऐसा करना है वैसा करना है, ये याद रखो. ओके, क्योंकि once you do the last step then only you will come to know कि वेरिएशन कितना आ रहा है. सी, अगर आपके नंबर्स डेसिमल्स में नहीं है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, तो ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट स्ट्रोक में टैली हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर जहाँ जहाँ भी डेसिमल्स है आंसर्स में, ट्राई टू कीप इट इन डेसिमल्स ओनली. ओके, क्योंकि देखो मैंने आपको दिखा दिया राउंडिंग ऑफ से क्या होगा, फाइनल आंसर में थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट आता है. एनीवेज आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इज रॉन्ग. ओके, I'm not saying that is wrong, that is also correct, but end mein I have to show the verification step that it is equal. Okay, so for that purpose we have to keep the decimals with us. Okay, answers in decimals. Okay, that is also up to 4 decimals, so that ultimately there is no variation in the final step. This is a full-fledged sum. If you want, you can take the screenshot of the same.